Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to segment customers in Shopify to help you create more targeted marketing strategies and improve how you communicate with different customer groups. To start, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Customers section. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who has interacted with your store. You can use filters like purchase history, location, order value, and more to identify different types of customers. For example, you might filter for customers who placed more than 2 orders in the past month, or those who haven't purchased in a while. Once you've applied your filters, Shopify lets you save this group as a customer segment. Give the segment a clear name that describes who's in it, like repeat buyers or inactive customers. Saved segments can be updated in real time as customer behavior changes, so they always stay relevant without needing to remake them each time. You can also segment based on tags. You can manually tag customers based on actions or characteristics like VIP, wholesale, or holiday buyer. These tags can then be used as another layer of segmentation when creating custom audiences for email, marketing, or ads. With customer segments in place, you can now run highly targeted campaigns. For instance, send a thank you discount to repeat buyers or array engagement email to inactive shoppers. Shopify integrates well with email marketing apps like Klaviyo or Shopify Email, which allow you to send personalized messages based on segment data. Additionally, Shopify's analytics tools can help you monitor how each segment performs over time. You'll be able to see metrics like conversion rates or average order value by group, helping you understand which strategies are working and where to adjust. Segmenting your customers isn't just about organizing data, it's about creating smarter marketing that speaks to people's actual behavior. This can improve sales, boost retention, and make your communication more effective overall. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. Information may change over time, so always double-check details before making business decisions. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.